Welcome back, guys. Let's talk a bit about vectorizing and tracing image, bitmaps image actually. So what we're going to do is to bring one of my pictures to CorelDRAW and let's try and vectorize one of those pictures. Though we won't be going deeper into vectorization and all that, but once you know how to use CorelDRAW, you can try them out yourself. So I'll be using this particular picture to demonstrate our vectorization and tracing. So what we're going to do now is that we are going to, you can use your pencil to trace this. You can actually use your pencil to trace this, and we'll do that in the next video where we're going to learn how to trace this to remove the background. We're going to trace something like this and remove the background with it. So what we're going to do now is to, you can use the trace bitmap to trace your image. We have the quick trace, so you can use the quick trace to trace it quickly and see what it brings. Then we're going to wait for it to trace this image. It's going to automatically trace the image. So it has traced the image with a quick trace. Then we have this. When you separate this from this, then you have this separate. This is what it gives us. This is what the quick trace gives us. You can click on it again. If you don't want to use this particular menu to trace to bitmap your image, you can right click and you see different kind of trace. We've used quick trace to do this. Then you can check the center line trace, which has technical illustration and line drawing. So let's use technical illustration to do a bit of illustration. Then you have something like this. This is the before and after of the image. This is the before and after. Then you can change some settings. Center line can be changed to outline. Then it gives you, is loading right here to give you the new perspective of your image right here. Then you can do some smoothing, some detail smoothing, some corner smoothing, and you can choose to remove the background. You can choose to remove the color from an entire image. You can do all these things. You can change the smoothing process. You can change the corner smoothing. Then you can leave it in line art. We have the logo, detailed logo. You can check all these details. You can check it yourself. I'm just showing you how to trace bitmaps, and yeah, we have that. So we're going to okay that. Then we have these as well. So you're going to separate this from, you're going to separate it from this. You're going to separate it like this, and you see it has no background, as you can see. Then we are going to go to page. We are going to have this separate and we have this separate. So I'm going to delete this, click on and delete. Then we're going to have this and this. So we have our bitmap traced that way. So you can check out other settings and do some other things. You can choose to change the colors of this bitmap, and I'll see you in the next lesson where we're going to talk about removing background, and that way we're going to use the pen tool to trace this image and remove the background here on CorelDRAW. I hope to see you there.